Bullet run a home in your arteries. Pardon me, but them niggas won't touch not a part of me. Bet on it. Them niggas belong in a sorority. Ain't that a bitch? Burn their bodies up for the authorities. No evidence. You gon' stop calling up the warriors from New Orleans. And I really think that it'd be better if I just hit the block with that Beretta and hop out and let her run, let her bang, let her bust, etc., etc. You niggas is scared of us, let them call up America. Here it come, got a gun, never call without one. Niggas wanna ball, so I guess I gotta bounce them. Smoking on an ounce of that shit from the mountains. People say I need to stop, no, I need a counselor. And down here, you are gonna need a chopper, and I'ma need a lawyer, and you're gonna need a doctor. Why? Because I got all me guns, yeah. I got all me guns, yeah. I got all me guns, yeah. I play like a pro in the game. You know I play like a pro in the game. You know I play like a pro in the game. You know I play like a pro in the game. Yeah, get at 'em, we hit 'em up if they red niggas ain't fucking with the